Okay, children, nice to be back to you all. I was very excited last time to take your Zoom classes, but at the same time, I am worried about the absentees also. And so, like in case of the absentees, we need to prepare a separate video lecture and upload. So, that is going to be very difficult for me. And so, until and unless the whole class is ready to participate, we will discontinue the Zoom classes. I am sorry to inform you like this, but we cannot help at the moment. We have to bear the pain. Please bear the pain, and once the whole class is ready, we can carry the excitement forward. So till then, we have to be happy with the video lectures. And so back to the lesson, and in the last portion, we have found that Maddie and Peggy had reached Boggins Heights to say sorry to Wanda Petronsky for their behavior, right? And so Wanda was not there and they had come back. They returned to their homes very unhappily. Now on Saturday, what happened? On Saturday, Maddie decided to spend the afternoon with Peggy. And they wrote a letter. The contents of the letter are very, very important. So if the question is asked, I have already highlighted. If the question is asked, what were the contents? You need to write that they had informed Wanda that she had won and how pretty the drawings were, and they wanted to say sorry, but it was not a sorry letter. Instead, it ended up being a very, very friendly letter. They also asked her where she was living and whether she liked her new teacher, and they signed it with lots of love and everything. Okay, so this is the content of the letter, and then there was no reply, there was no answer to that letter. So maybe Wanda had not received it. Wanda was not there, but since it did not come back, the letter did not come back. Once it is not delivered, the letter comes back, isn't it? Any undelivered mail comes back to the to the sender's address. And so, since the letter did not come back, so these two children, they thought that Wanda had received the letter. And then there were changes in Maddie, not in Peggy. Maddie found herself to change a lot, like she was a kind of mono-acting. She took up the stand for Wanda and she imagined that she had become a stronger girl defending Wanda from teasing. So when the crowd was asking Wanda, how many dresses have you got? And before Wanda could answer, Maddie became a stronger girl and she would cry out that stop. The word stop, she would cry out, and she imagined that everybody would feel ashamed. Means in the way she would shout out, she imagined that the crowd will feel ashamed for their behavior. And soon it was Christmas, and then that time it was the last day and the teacher received a letter. Now we are going to the next portion, and here we will be just seeing how the things are going. The contents of the letter, again we will have to read. You remember Wanda Petronsky, the gifted artist who won the drawing contest. Now the teacher was reading out the contest, and the teacher was very glad to know where she lives, because now she could send the medal to her. I want to read the letter for you. The whole class sat up with sudden interest and listened intently. Dear Miss Mason, how are you and room 13? Please tell the girls they can keep those 100 dresses because in my new house I have 100 new ones all lined up in my closet. I like that girl Peggy to have the drawing of the green dress with the red trimming, and her friend Maddie to have the blue one. For Christmas, I miss that school and my new teacher does not equalize with you. Merry Christmas to you and everybody. So this was the content of Wanda's letter, and on the way home from school, Maddie and Peggy held their drawings very carefully. So they were carrying the drawings that Wanda had gifted them. All the houses had wreaths and holly in the windows because Christmas decorations were going on. So wreath means circular or circle-shaped garlands. Circle-shaped garlands, and holly, it is a kind of Christmas leaf. Christmas leaf in the windows. Outside the grocery store, hundreds of Christmas trees were stacked, and in the window, candy peppermint sticks and cornucopias of shiny transparent paper was strung. The air smelled like Christmas and lights everywhere, shining, reflected different colors on the snow. So it was a very beautiful change everywhere. Boy, said Peggy, this shows she really likes us. Now Peggy suddenly realized that Wanda really liked them. It shows that she got our letter. It also showed that Wanda had received her letter, rather their letter, and this is her way of saying that everything is all right, and that is that. I hope so, said Maddie sadly. She felt sad because she knew she would never ever see that tight-lipped Polish girl again and couldn't ever really make things right between them. Even though Peggy was very positive-minded, Maddie felt very sad because she knew that she would never be able to see that friend again, that tight-lipped Polish girl again. She went home and she pinned her drawing over a torn place in the pink flowered wallpaper in the bedroom. The shabby room. See, after putting up the drawing, the shabby means the dull room. The dull room became alive from the brilliancy of the colors. The colors were so beautiful in the drawing that the dull room became alive. Maddie sat down on her bed and looked at the drawing. She had stood by and said nothing, but Wanda had been nice to her anyway. She was feeling bad because she had just watched the fun. She had been a participant in the fun. But Wanda had been so nice to her that she had gifted her the drawing and she never blamed her for anything. Right. So this is how we move on to the last portion of the story now. I am again picking up my highlighter. Let me just pick up the highlighter. Tears blurred her eyes. Blurring means filled her eyes, and she gazed for a long time at the picture. Then, I need to erase. Then she hastily rubbed her eyes and studied it intently. The colors in the dress. Now see, the colors in the dress were so vivid. What is the meaning of vivid? Were so clear that she had hardly noticed the face and head of the drawing. That the colors were more bright than the face and head of the drawing. But it looked like her, Maddie. Now see, the colors in the dress were so bright that she had overlooked the face in the drawing. But now she looked at the face and she found that the face looked like Maddie. And why it really looked like her own self. Wanda had really drawn this for her. Excitedly she ran over to Peggy's. Peg, she said, let me see your picture. What is the matter? Asked Peggy as they clattered means ran up to her room where Wanda's drawing was lying face down on the bed. Maddie carefully raised it. Now see, Peggy was not so excited like Maddie, and she never bothered to look at the drawing. The drawing in Peggy's room was lying face down, means lying upside down on her bed. Maddie carefully raised it, means picked it up. Look, Peggy, she drew you. That is you, she exclaimed, and the head and the face of the picture looked like Peggy. What did I say? Said Peggy. She must have really liked us anyway. So Peggy is again back to her form, and she is saying, I have already told you before. She did not want to admit that she had made a mistake somewhere. So she is saying that I have already told you. She was very positive minded and she said that I have already told you that she likes us. Yes, she must have, agreed Maddie, and she blinked away the tears that came to her at the thought of Wanda standing alone in that sunny spot on the schoolyard, looking stolidly over at the group of laughing girls after she had walked off, after she had said, sure, 100 of them, all lined up. Maddie was feeling so bad that she gulped down. She wiped the tears that came to her eyes when she thought of Wanda standing alone in that sunny spot of the schoolyard where they used to make fun of her. So children, before making fun, before opening your mouths, please be careful, do not hurt each other. After all, you are all children, you need to be together with each other. Be emotional, love each other, hold each other, children. Okay, stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy. That is the end of this chapter. We have to look forward to the assignment now. If there are any doubts, please upload your doubts, post your doubts on the WhatsApp. Right? That is all. God bless you.